Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at words to expression, compound version. So before we talked about words to expression where it was just a simple one operation. You add it or divide it or square it or something like that. Here you gotta take words to expression and it's two operations. So let's take a look at a few examples. Alright, so there was a little cheat sheet that you can use, and I put that cheat sheet in here with doing some of these here, and I cut and sliced it up a little bit so we can get the multiple operations in on each problem. So for this example here, we got 5 plus twice the number, and you got two key words here. You've got the plus, which similar lets you know indicates addition, and twice, which indicates multiplication, doubling of something. So that's going to let you know 2 with multiplication. So you got 5 plus, so you're going to do 5 plus twice a number. So it's 2 times the number and you're adding 5 to it. So 5 plus 2 times x. Alright, let's look at another one. Okay, this one is 9 is multiplied by the number. I'm sorry, 9 is multiplied by the cube of a number. Okay, so 9 is multiplied by the cube of a number. So we're going to do 9 times. So we are looking at the key words multiplied and cube, right? And that lets us know we're going to use multiplication and we're going to cube it, which means we're going to raise it to the third power. So 9 is multiplied by the cube of a number, okay? So we got x cubed, and you know order of operation, you got to do the exponents first. So the x cubed, whatever that is, times 9. 9 is multiplied by the cube of a number. Alright. Let's look at this one. The product of 3 and the difference of 5 and a number. The product of 3. So this 3 has got to be multiplied against not just the 5, not just the number, but the difference of 5 and a number. So you got to do the 5 and the number first and then multiply it times 3. So there's multiple ways of doing that. You can say 5 minus 3 times 5 minus the number times 3, or 3 times 5 minus the number. But the key part here is the product and the difference lets you know you're going to do multiplication and difference. And you got to put that, since the difference of 5 and number has to happen first, you have to put it in parentheses. Okay? 5 minus 3 first, and then multiply it times, 5 minus x, then multiply it times 3. You can put the 3 in the front or the back, but the 5 minus 3 has to be in parentheses. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Alright, 9 is subtracted from the product of 9 and a number. So you're going to find the product of a 9 and a number and then subtract 9 from it. So we're looking at our key words here, which is subtracted from and the product of. Okay, so we know we're doing subtraction and multiplication. So since we're doing subtracted from the product of 9 and a number, you got 9 and a number, 9 times x, and then minus 9 from it. Alright, let's take a look at our last example here. The cube of the sum of the number and 3. The cube of the sum of the number and 3. So you can tell that we've got cube, which is in our powers, and sum, which is in addition. So we're going to raise something to the third power, and we're going to find the sum of, which means we're going to add. So the sum of a number, x plus 3, but you got to find the cube. He's not doing the cube of a number or the cube of 3. you're doing the cube of the sum of the number and 3. So you do the number in 3 first and then raise it to the third power. X plus 3 raised to the third power, and you got to put in parentheses. But that's it. That is converting words to expressions, the compound version. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Webb's videos. Have a nice day.